Hi, Lynn Ann Rose here. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like. If you get into the video and like this. I'm on my way to Pro Bass to pick up my protection I got a pepper gun. It shoots pepper guns with a CO2 cartridge. Pepper balls, I mean. And it also has rubber balls to practice with, so I'm looking forward to doing that. If you've been watching my videos, I'm ramping up to my first solo camping trip. I picked the area of Forks, Washington for my first place to be. Well, it wasn't my first place. I was going to go out to Morton, Washington, but then I started looking around a little bit, and I found a place outside of town of Forks, Washington. It was an overflow spot, he said, but I'll take it. I want to be further away from home. I want to feel like I'm out there. So yeah, I'm going to Pro Bass. It's a sporting goods store where I'm going to pick up my protection that I got for when I'm camping. I'm just not comfortable with the pew-pews. I mean, if I was under grave danger, would I use a pew-pew? But I don't know. I couldn't do that, but I mean, if there's an animal or something like that, I wouldn't want to kill an animal because I'm in their area. So, this pepper spray gun, I mean, it looks like a gun. It's one of those guns that look like a gun, but they're black and orange. But I'll show you when I get it. And when I get to my camping area, I'm going to test it. So if you want to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because probably my next video is going to be me out camping, testing out all my camping gear. So yeah, I am on my way to go get my merchandise that I purchased earlier. Oh yeah, I'll see you when I get there. America, land of the free. I don't know, I always like the entrance. A big fireplace. Not nice. Good, there's no music. I don't know where I pick up my pew-pews. Or my gun. Hunting fishing license sold here. Oh no, where do I go? Maybe I go here. Hang on, I'll be right back. Girl power, I like that picture. Nice, huh? Got these marshmallow roasters. You can even put some hot dogs on there. $4.99. I'll get these. Got me one of these. Practice my target. Good old Sasquatch. Works Washington. Huh? Is that where he lives? I don't know. I'm gonna get this. You buy it, each one tracks a dolphin. They have other ones. I also like sharks. But every bracelet tracks an animal or a species. The wolf one's really cool. I like that one. And then I know there's turtle lovers out there. The manatees. Oh, look at this seal. The seals. Yeah, I just wanted to share that. I think I'm going to get the dolphin one though. Or a wolf. I think I'll get the wolf. That's the first one I picked up. Yeah, I'll do the wolf. Because they're kind of endangered, some of them, huh? We'll get a wolf. Well, I recorded the whole thing and didn't push the record button. But anyway, I'm on my way to the car. I got more CO2 cartridges and some more rubber balls for my pepper spray gun. So when I get settled in the car, I'll show you. Okay. I'm settled. This is what I got. The glare. There's glare. So yeah. It's the pepper spray gun. What does it say? Pepper rounds. Home defense pistol. But I'm going to use it for camping. Velocity 485 feet per second. CO2 12 gauge. 6 round capacity. Yeah. I mean, I was thinking of going all bougie and getting a holster. And I bought some more of these so I can practice. He said I can reuse the rubber bullets, but I don't know. I'm going to shoot it when I'm camping. I'm going to try it, just play with it when I'm out camping. That's the rubber bullets. I got 3 packages of these because one comes in the box, and pack of rubber bullets come in the box. The pepper spray comes in the box, and then I ordered an additional pepper rounds for that, and that goes in there. So yeah, and I just only got one Target thing. I showed you that already. Got this. It's a small bottle. I don't know how bad the mosquitoes are over there, but yeah, I heard they can be pretty bad early summer. So Do they consider July early summer? Because that's when I'll be out in the woods camping. So yeah. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and my next video will more than likely be I'm out camping. Okay, so I'll see you later. Bye.